Is going to be a lesson on using Magic Edit to see the magic of AI, again with Magic Studio. We come back to my screen. We use the same set of images that we just had used. This time I would want to do something. Okay, let's say this image, and I go to edit image and I select on Magic Edit. If you see, it's not a pro feature, and anybody who is a Canva free user can also be using it. Great. Now I want, where's the dog gone? Something wrong here. Okay, this is because, yeah. So here I go back, click on Magic Edit. What I click on the click feature this time. Okay, I select the dog. I want this dog to be edited. So describe what you want to add or change. Cool. This is interesting. Change the dog to a lion. Generate. Let's see what happens. I'm excited to see this one. Are you? A dog replaced with a lion? Is it possible? Or a tiger maybe? Let's find it out for ourselves. Oh, wow, it did it. It did it well. And it gave me four options. Though it looks more like an undernourished lion. Let's see the different options that we have. Okay, but yeah, it does it, isn't it? Let's say to a cat. Generate again. Let's see. This time this dog is going to be a cat. So this is Magic Edit, an exciting feature for you to use. See, the dog changed into a cat this time. Wow, this was amazing. What else can we do with Magic Edit? This one, I want to add a new image. Let's say I go to Elements, Women with Flower. Okay, select one of the image over here. Let's say this one. I would say let's select this one. Okay, I go to Edit Image. I select Magic Edit. Go to Click. Automatically selects what are the things it can edit or change. It's still detecting. Okay, done. Change the lilies, I don't know, change the white flowers to a ward. Okay, I need to first select the area that I want to edit. So I select the flowers, change the white flowers to an award. Generate. Let's see what happens. This flower, is it going to get flawlessly changed into an award? Canva is generating. So what does Magic Edit does? Edit faces, hands or legs. So editing faces, hands or legs is not intended for Magic Edit. So you cannot basically edit the face or something. It did not do it. Okay, add an award, cancel an award. Let's see, maybe my prompt was not right. The magic is happening and happening and happening. Let's wait. Good things take a while. Since it's going to generate 4 different variations, so it's taking a while. Wow, here we have it. So basically my prompt was not right, but yes, here we have it. There are different types of awards. If we did not like it, we can ask it to generate again, or if we want to change it, let's say from an award to what? A cat. Generate again. And let's see if the flower changes to a cat. Will it? Let's find it out for ourselves. The magic is happening and happening and happening and happening. It's in progress. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. And do we see? Are we going to see a cat? Are we going to see a cat? Yes, we have a cat here, but with some flowers and some not very well presented, but the award was right, good, looking good, isn't it? So yeah, that's Magic Edit for you. You can try it with different things that you want to edit or change or replace and see how it does works for you.